I seriously just can't take this town name seriously. I'm sorry, if other cultures are allowed to make fun of English names being yucky in other languages, English speakers get to do it for other cultures. You can't have it one way. There is discrimination against Caucasians and I don't want to call it a white culture, but yeah, white culture. Americans. And I experience it. I'm not white, but I'm culturally, sociologically white, and I get discriminated against it for being here. This is a different story. I just wanted to end this video. I'm ending it. I have to go home for the unboxing. But as you can tell, I'm very sleep deprived. I haven't slept in 36 hours. I think I woke up at 11 yesterday. It's 9:07, Indian Standard Time, of course. But did all that with one hand holding a camera. I told you, I'm not directionally challenged. No, we went up the escalators. We went from the Papoys up the escalators.
Okay, thank you. Hi, madam. Hi.
Hello.
Camera, hi.
Hi. Oh, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Can I say hi to YouTube?
Yes.
Hi.
Nice.
I'm glad he was nice about it. But yeah.
You can list for a few minutes.
I can hold it, yeah. But oh my god, he does. He looks exactly like John. I don't want to be creepy and take a photo, but like, he looks exactly like John. No, he's a carbon copy of him.
Yeah.
Oh, he got back into law school. Well, I had to stop my video, but he got back into law school.
Really?
Yeah. Let me finish the video up, this part of the video up, and
Your hand is going to.
no, I'm fine with it. But yeah, I did all of that sleep deprived. Wow, that's a real sweet Tarot at 16 right there, knocking those things over like that. Not getting a Pikachu video, but didn't really expect to win the Pikachu anyways.
Oh, this is I love channel.
Oh, I love the VR mall. This place is so legit fun. This is what malls should be. This is what Festival Day was. This is what they took from us. This is why I wanted to support Desertland non-stop. Like, one of the few places. This one's no longer a mall, but so if you're wondering what a kind of upscale Western restaurant in the upscale part of Chennai looks like, this is actually pretty legit menu. I thought it was Mexican, and then I looked at the menu. It didn't look Mexican. Mexican stuff is the back. I was like, okay, I'll get this hummus thing. This hummus, right? That's a pretty legit menu. I just wish my head didn't hurt so much from being so sleep deprived. No one is smoking, but it smells like a bee smoking. But it smells more like cigarette smoke inside. It's disgusting. And these tacos, the 3 soft shell tacos. Oh my god, they have beef. This might be one of my only chances of actually being able to eat any beef here. They have beef. This might be one of my only chances to have beef here. My god, that's just absolute hearsay.
Okay.
Yeah. I had to ask them to add some veggies. And ABC juice. I mean, they have other juices, like they have other minty green splash. Or, oh, my head hurts so much.
What? Headache?
My head hurts so much. I have no idea how I managed to just like ding 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 ding.
So
ding,
what
ding.
are you ordering?
3 beef tacos. I'm gonna ask them to add veggies and the radiant splash. The guy who was like, "Hi, camera." He was so cute. Normally people are like, "Don't record me," but he was like, "Hi, camera." YouTube diva star. So let's see. Is it a speed? Oh my god, it's an actual speed cube. It's actually recording. Oh, my speed cube reflexes are trying to solve. Oh, thank you, Sergio. Thank you. Beef tacos? Oh, thank you, sir. I guess we're doing the videos in one. This is actual speed cube, like good quality one. I've bought $60 speed cubes, and I bought $6 speed cubes, and there's this really popular brand called GAN, and there's this other brand called Local. Think something like that? I mean, oh, now I have to solve this. I didn't even look at it, but it looked like I saw it. Is it any different? Oh. Where? Yeah, I don't even know where, that's top one. F2L. How to eat and do F2L right now. This. I'll do this and then eat. I want to see what's inside. Stop recording. That's the candy half, so I will eat that. Try not to damage this. Oh, it's not Ben 10 itself. It's a tank. But you know what's funny? I wanted a car. I thought I'm not going to get anything. I'm just going to get a little car or something. Or like that secret numbers that I was looking at. I have to keep this. It's
so many hydration headache. It's the same as a Kinder Egg. I'll eat it after. But, yeah. That's furious. I didn't think I was gonna get anything useful. But that's beef in India is different. These are legit. What are you saying?
These are legit.
What are legit?
These are legit.
Okay. Going to the toilet and coming, I feel disgusted there.
What? The bathroom here?
No, from here.
What?
The waiters are going in and out from that. I hope they wash their hands.
In the toilet? This seems like a pretty upscale. I think they do. There's a wash basin in there. I have such a headache. Can't enjoy it properly, but yeah, it's good. It's as good as it gets.